Chair Lady.
And I'll conclude with this. So is it fair to say that a vaccine does just exactly what it's supposed to do, which is it's to mimic the natural immunity, the natural exposure of a person's humanity to a pathogen? If you were exposed to a pathogen or a virus naturally, you have an immune response, and what the vaccine does is it mimics that exposure to pre-expose you so that your future exposures will have a memory and that you will have the ability to respond appropriately rather than preventing you from having any symptom, preventing you from transmitting anything, or preventing you from having any illness in the future.
You are correct, and that's why these have failed as vaccines. Once Delta came along, they were essentially 0% effective, and Omicron, they've actually been negatively effective in the sense that if you've had 2 or 3 of the shots, you actually have a higher chance of acquiring Omicron. So yes, a vaccine is supposed to mimic a natural infection and is supposed to give you immunity to a disease going forward once you're exposed to it. You're absolutely correct.
And more importantly, this virus has 29 proteins. The spike protein is 1 protein. So you're basically, when you get a natural infection, you're going to get antibodies to the nucleocapsid and other proteins besides the spike protein. It's much more durable for that reason. You also get massive T-cell responses. So it's not going to even be close between the vaccine and the virus.